Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to design a logo without any software. So logo design, it is a very one of popular topics for the freelancing. So there are many tools in the market like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, like 3D Studio, and many more tools that you can create your logo. If you are a good expert logo designer, then you could make money from the online earning place like Fiverr, Upwork, and many other online working platform. So how will create a logo without any software? I'll show you, and within a very short time, it will create a logo. It should be very nice. It will take very little time. You will make a wonderful logo with this process. So this is a site called logomaker.dahoth.com. I'll give you the link in the description. You can get the description from there, link from there, and you could try it by yourself. If you try multiple logo by yourself, you'll see how easy it is and how you can make money from the logo design. Okay, first here is the website. You are here, I am here. But go for the add symbol. Let's say add symbol. There are multiple category, most popular, abstract, many different category. Already they decide over here. You will just use that. So most popular over here, if you go most popular, there is here abstract. I'm taking one abstract from here. So let's pick this one. Okay, this one I will use. Let's say then I'll add a text from here. So text, let's say I'll add two text only BT. That's it. Then I'll go for font. Yes, sweeter. There are many different font. You can take whatever you like. It is totally based on your design. Whatever looks like good, you can take that. Let's take this font BT. Okay, let's make a if you select over here, you can duplicate this, means you can copy this thing. I can copy another piece. Okay, from here let's be like small letter. So just make it little bigger. Okay, just make it color like, let's say I'll make it like a blue color. Okay, then from here I can just remove B. I'll just put T over here. Just make this T color, it is a red color. Okay, T is good. Now let's make it together. Send back to backward. I want to make T is forward. Okay, video. And the main image I could make a little bit smaller. Okay, that's done. This looks like good. Then add another text like Bogura Tech. So take it outside. Let's do for font. Okay, I'm taking this font, and also I'm removing. Okay, just make a copy file, make a duplicate. I have another part. Do here. Let's say delete the last part. Okay. Now make a color, make it blue. Okay. Also this one, remove the Bogura part and make a color, it is red. Okay. Now make it a line up. Okay. Then let me move it a little bit up. Another layer of text. Learning source. Take a font for this. Click over here and take a small font like, let's say, Northern Light. Change the color. Let's say taking a color, it's a green, and also make it smaller. Okay, just take a look. We need more small. Okay. Just redesign whatever looks like better. It is it you have to make it eye-catching. Like whatever looks like better, you have to make. You could take any other color, any other design. It totally depends on you. So my logo making is done. Let's say we are looking this big. It is look like it needs more. If I make it little bigger, okay, and also this way. Okay. Like it is overlapping with T. Okay, it is done. It is the logo creation is done. It's a very simple. If you try, like it has thousands of shapes, thousands of symbols. You could just type your text and you could design by it yourself. It will be. Bottom line is, it should be look like very eye-catching, like very beautiful, very nice, so that customer will attract your work and they will give you the um, work order. So this is how design is done. Let's say we can do the preview. You see, this is the preview. It is in the t-shirt. It looks like good. If you use it in mug, it is good. It is in iPad, it is good. It is a letter pad, it is good. All it is look like good. Then now, what you have to do? We can do that. Just save and download. When you want to save and download, you have to provide your email number, right? Then provide the email address, then save and continue. Okay, this is your project. Copy to the, you can copy to the URL too. It is copied. Just for a little bit, just save it to the notepad. Paste it to the notepad. This is your project link. Okay, done. If you check your email now, gmail.com. Your logo is here. Your logo is here. If you see, download that logo, premium logo, zip. Click over here. You see, there is multiple in the zip file. So JPG file, EPS file, PNG file, whatever it is your client needed. If it is uses for like a transparent, then we could use PNG file. Okay, let's download that one. It is downloaded. Downloaded. Yeah, it is done. Just go to the download folder. Download your logo. Just right click, extract all. Extract here in the same place. Here is your logo. View, last icon. You see your logo is here. If you open the JPG file, double click, your logo is here. It is look like good. It is nothing bad. It is your final logo. So I believe you got some idea how to create a logo design from logo design without any software. If it is you think if it is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and also like the video and share this video with your friends and others. Thank you. Thank you for watching.